So today I am going to try and attempt to remove the condenser fan, the air conditioning or AC condenser fan, without removing the AC lines for the Freon. I don't want to get charged again with a couple of bucks with the Freon recharging. And then the tools that we may need: socket wrench 10 mil, open and close wrench 10 mil, and then a 4mm Allen wrench, just in case if you're using the same fender bolts or fastener bolts like mine, which is the crappy rep password JDM 4mm. And I think we need to remove at least 8 bolts or maybe 9, I'm not sure, and then the power source or power clip. But I want to show you first the sequence how I did. I already removed this like twice and was just trying to check if I can install it back. Fortunately I was able to without jacking the car. Oh, by the way, right, so first thing, this is the hardest sucker, this bolt over here. This is the hardest one to remove. That's the first bolt that I removed, and then second one is the other one over here. It's just quite hard to see on the cam. That's just right over there. And then the third one is this bolt, this baby over here. And then there's another one under this pressure line for the bracket. We need to remove this bracket so you can pull this condenser fan out of the way. And then this bolt, and then there are 2 bolts at the bottom of the AC condenser fan. Then lastly, this 2 bolts or fastener over here are the last bolts that we need to remove. Anyway, I'm going to try and show them to you later on. So she's out. Socket wrench. Sorry for the language. after removing all the bolts, power line, fasteners, etc., it's time to play around with the condenser fan. You can pull this up, push it, pull, whatever you want to do with it, as long as you don't remove the AC line for the Freon. You may need to use a jack if your car is pretty low. So I'm gonna play around with this, and maybe I can remove this without using a jack. I'm not sure, but I'm gonna soon find out. And so finally, she's out. Condenser fan out without using a jack. It will be much easier if you can jack up your car, but do not use a crocodile jack or jack under the, what you call that, I don't know what you call that thing. You could just use jack on the sides, 2 jacks. And the reason why I wanna remove the condenser fan is because of the rust buildup. I want to clean them up. Maybe I'm just gonna do a separate video, crappy video as always. And I think it will be much better if we can replace this with a high-speed fan, but I don't have a budget yet. That one cost me like $30 US dollars, or maybe 40. Anyway, that's just all for now. I think I'm just gonna do a separate vid on painting this condenser fan. Adios guys, see you next time.